And we are back by popular demand. Welcome to our GMB Google My Business hacks, or whatever you want to call it, part 2. All right, guys and gals, I decided it would be best for you guys if I split this up into 2 parts. Instead of just having you guys do what I do, I want to be able to go in detail and tell you why I do what I do. This way, if you have any bumps along the road, you should be all right. So in this video in part 2, we're going to go over a real quick recap for the backlinks in part 1. And then I'm going to show you how to rank for highly competitive search terms. In part 1, I showed you how to make a video citation with multiple keywords sprinkled in to give your rankings a boost across the board. In this video, I'm going to show you how to laser focus and targeting on individual key terms that will get your GMB to the next level. I'm excited. Let's do this. All right, now in part 3, I got some crazy awesome stuff. Number 1, we're going to go over secret GMB optimization tactics. 2, we are going to utilize GMB posts to boost your rankings even more. 3, we are going to do some superpower backlinking through our Google Drive. 4, we are going to neutralize your short links for even more juice. And 5, my absolute favorite, we are going to send traffic to your GMB for keywords you don't even rank for. Yeah, I know, it sounds impossible, but I'm going to show you how to do it in part 3. Your domain and business.site. Leave all that other mumble jumble alone. Okay, so now I'm in my YouTube studio and I'm editing my title and description. Okay, so now you can see I have my nap, and now I'm going to add my business.site. Now I'm inside my GMB. I'm going to click share, and this is the link that I want to copy. We're tracing this link. This is the link you want to trace. All right, in part 1, I used wheregoes.com. Some of you are having trouble with it, so redirecttochecker.com is another really good one. You can just Google URL tracer, but the main thing we want is we want to get the final URL, which is right here. All right, and we're going to trace it in our description right here. And now for the final link, jump into my classroom. This seemed to be the link that everybody had the most trouble with, okay? Some guy started hating on me on his Facebook post because he said, it's just a search query. Well, it's supposed to be a search query, okay? So basically, you need to find the keywords that you type into Google that pops up your knowledge panel, okay? And why that's important is because Google associates those search terms the strongest with your GMB. So I'm inside Google right now. I typed in Marketing Divine, which is the company name, and Indianapolis, which is the city it's located in. Now, this right here is your knowledge panel. Okay, whatever terms it takes to get this knowledge panel to pop up is what we are going to plug in to that special URL that I gave you. All right, so I did another one, Eating Primal Denver. Okay, this is actually a buddy of mine's business. If you want some really healthy, good food that gets delivered fresh to your house, hit him up and he will hook you up. So basically, Eating Primal is a branded key term in the eyes of Google, and Denver is the location. So this search query Google associates with your GMB the strongest. So let's jump in the URL and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so here's the 2 links that I have in the description of the this video and in the video of part 1. Okay, here is the special URL, and here is the example. This is my example for the one I did. Do not use this example. Do not put it in your video description. It will not help you whatsoever, okay? So what you do is keyword, keyword, keyword. You plug in your keywords here. So this keyword here, I'm going to erase, and then we'll do Eating Primal, okay? Primal Denver. Not denser, Denver. All right, and then you know how to get your machine ID that's in part 1. You erase this and you paste it in here. I hope everybody's tracking. If not, I'd be more than happy to answer your questions below. But we're going to take this URL, okay, and we're going to throw it in our description, which is going to be right here, and we're done. That's it, okay? Finally, we're going to put in our description, which is our keywords, and we are going to save it. And when you're all ready, you change it from unlisted to public. and boom, the power is unleashed. Now back to your regular scheduled program. So to rank for some highly competitive search terms, the first thing we're going to have to do is we are going to create a playlist. Okay. All right, and we clicked on playlist, and this little button here says create new playlist. Boom, right here. The name of your playlist needs to be the name on your company, exactly how it is on your GMB. All right, guys, so here's our playlist, and we need to add a description. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all the links and the NAP from our video description, and I am going to add them into the playlist description. After you add your links, you can add something about the company itself. Don't try to target any keywords or anything crazy like that. This is not what's going to be doing the heavy lifting. It's the videos that we put into, and we're going to structure them a little bit different than what we did in part one, and I'm going to show you that right now. All right, so we're here in YouTube, and we are going to upload our first video, and we're going to isolate and find our first search term that we want to target. All right, they just processed the video, and I'm going to show you how to rank for these competitive terms. Now, in the title, you want to put not your company name like we did in part one. In this video, you want to put in the title the search term that you actually want to rank for. I just put best marketing firm in Indianapolis just to kind of keep with the agency theme, but you know, if you were a plumber, it'd be the best plumber in Indianapolis or the fastest plumber in Indianapolis. You guys are getting the drift, right? All right, guys, and if you're not sure on which keywords that you want to rank for, a little hack you can do is head over to Google AdWords, just set up an account. You don't have to spend any money, and go into the Google Keyword Planner. All right, look up your niche and then sort by your bid or by cost. And if the cost is high, that means a lot of people are bidding on them, which means they're good and they're converting. So those are the search terms you are going to want to rank for organically. All right, now guys, in the description, we are going to add the NAP and the same exact links that we had in our previous video. All right, and now what we're going to do is we are going to grab the search term that we want to rank for, and we are going to scroll it down here at the bottom of the description. All right, guys, now we're going to take that search term and we're going to run down here to the tags and paste it. See how I have it in Best Marketing Firm Indianapolis? And then we're going to do a second tag with the company name, Marketing Divine. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to run up here and we are going to select the new playlist that we made, which is your company name. And finally, we are going to scroll down here. You can set a date if you want, it doesn't matter. Is the video location. You will be able to type in the address associated with the GMB. Okay, very, very powerful. So we selected the address and we are going to run down here. Category doesn't matter. There used to be a couple categories that would give you a little bit of an organic boost. It's not that way anymore. We're ready to go. Next and next, and I'm going to keep this unlisted, but you can go ahead, if everything's good, go ahead and make it public. All right, guys, boom, good. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link, and let's go ahead and do another one. All right, we're going to go ahead and select the file. I'm going to just pull something random. All right, guys, we got our video uploading right now. So the next search term we're going to want to rank for is maybe the most awesome marketer. All right, guys, same as before, we're going to put our NAP and our links. Go down here. I'm going to copy and paste the most awesome marketer, and we're going to drop it down here. And we're going to select this to our playlist. Done. Come down to more options, and we're going to scroll down to tags. We're going to do our search term, and then we're going to do Marketing Divine for the company name. And the location is, we're just going to put in another random, or excuse me, that's the certificate. Here's the location. We're just going to put in another random address, but this is the address that you're going to use that's associated with your GMB, and we're going to click next and next, and I'm going to put this as unlisted because this is my YouTube channel. If I were you, everything's good, do it public. Boom. All right, guys, now you get the gist, okay? I'm not going to go through and do 10 videos with 10 search terms, okay? But you're not going to hit every search term, okay? It's not a magic trick. All right, and the reason this works so well is that you're focusing. It's like a upside down pyramid. Okay, you're you're dropping all the weight of those backlinks and authority and your citations, and you're putting it all down to one search term, okay? Versus yesterday, when you just did a 300 to 500 description where you sprinkle in a bunch of key terms, this one, you put all that weight on one. Guys, that is it for this one. Please like and subscribe. It means a whole lot to me. Thank you for all the love that I'm getting. It definitely motivates me to keep me wanting to keep pumping out these videos, guys. All right, any questions, feel free to drop them down below. I answer all questions. My email is in the About section. Feel free to email me. Links to the Facebook page is down below, or Facebook group. Until next time, peace.